Unveiling the magic of really. Master English Adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to unlock another exciting topic in English grammar fundamentals, understanding really. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the adverb really more effectively and confidently in your conversations. Really is an adverb in English that is used to intensify the meaning of an adjective or another adverb. When you want to emphasize something or express that something is true or exact, you can use the word really. For instance, I'm really happy to see you means that you are extremely happy to see the person. When we put really before an adjective or another adverb, it intensifies their meaning. For example, he is really tall, or she runs really quickly. Here, really is enhancing the degree of the adjective tall and the adverb quickly. Really is also used to express surprise or to seek confirmation in questions and responses. For example, are you really moving to Canada? Or in response, yes, I really am. In these instances, really is used to show a sense of disbelief or surprise. An important point to remember is not to confuse really with real. While real is an adjective that describes nouns, really is an adverb that enhances adjectives and other adverbs. For instance, we say, he is a real professional, but he is really professional. There you have it. Now you know how to use the word really to make your English more expressive and accurate. Remember, practice is key in mastering these concepts. Try using really in your conversations today and feel the difference. We really hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.